functions is defined as the combining of functions where the output from one function becomes the input for the next function. So for example, the range, which is the y values of that function, of one function becomes the domain, which is the x values of the next function. In addition, functional notation is written as f of g of x, but that can also be seen as f times g times x. Like Mr. Walker taught us in class, the function machine is basically where you put any value, which in this case is x. Once you put it through the machine, it changes the value of the function. And for example, using the function notation previously mentioned in the video, when you take the function of x, which is x plus 1, and g of x, which is 2x, you can substitute these expressions and it will clearly show you the order of the substitutions that will need to be made. So once you substitute these expressions, you need to perform the problem and you will get 2x plus 1. So for our second example, you're given that the function of g is negative 2, and for g of x it is 3x plus 5. So what you're going to do is you're going to plug in negative 2 for x in the g of x function, and then you're going to plug in what you find out is 0, and then you plug in 0 for the original function of x problem, and you find out that f of x is negative 2.